Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr.V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to create a table using Revit family. Go to Revit, then go to Families, then press New. Select Furniture System, then press Open. Change the unit, press UN, then go to Length. Select Meter and the rounding to decimal. Then press OK, then OK. Then go to Front, go to Insert, Import CAD, then select your AutoCAD file, then import unit, select meter, and the position manual center, then press open. Drag it wherever you want. Let's move it. Let's select this point to this point. After that, go to create extrusion. I want this side first. Go to pick lines, select these lines, then press on multiple lines. Then select this one, then this one. Go to trim and trim them. The extrusion end, I want it like 1 meter, then press finish. And this one also the same, create extrusion, rectangle, and this point to this point, the same 1 meter, then press finish. And we want this one, the same extrusion, rectangle, I want this point to this point, and this one to this one. Then press finish, also 1 meter, and go to create. Let's create this one. Let's make it 0.05. Then press finish. Then go to 3D. Select this one. Go to back. Copy. Turn off this one. And let's do it like this. Go to front. I want to create this one. Create extrusion, the same, pick lines, multiple lines, 0.01. Then press finish. Go to 3D. Let's make it 1:1. And here it is. You can change the extrusion like 0.7, better, this one the same, and the last one How to add materials to your families. Select the object that you draw. Then here in properties we have materials and finishes. Select this one, then select this rectangle or square. Then select the material that you want to choose. I want this wood. Then press OK. This one the same. Press on this square, then choose your material, then press OK. This one I wanted different material. Let's choose this one, then press OK, and this one the same. Let's make it realistic, and it will look like this.